Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start on your Apple Watch home screen and find the app to delete. Press and hold an app icon for 1 second until all app icons begin to jiggle. When icons jiggle, locate the small X or minus badge on the app you want to remove. Tap the small X and then confirm delete when prompted to permanently remove the app from the watch. After deletion, press the digital crown to stop the jiggle and return to the home screen. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone to manage apps centrally. Tap the My Watch tab at the bottom to view apps installed on the watch. Scroll to Installed on Apple Watch and find the specific app you want to remove. Swipe left on the app entry and tap Delete to uninstall it from the watch remotely. Note that deleting an app from the watch may not remove the same app from your iPhone. Reinstall from the App Store if you change your mind. Remember that some built-in Apple Watch apps cannot be deleted and will remain. If you accidentally remove an app, open the App Store on the watch to reinstall it quickly. For more control, update to the latest Watch OS because Watch OS 6 and later support independent watch apps. If an app won't delete, restart the watch and try again by repeating the delete steps from the home screen. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort to reset app management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.